You've been helping us tell the story of this April blizzard all day, and earlier on Facebook, I asked you to snap a pic of what you were seeing. Take a look. From New Ulm to Mankato, Worthington to Menominee, your pictures show a landscape fit for February, downright foolish for spring. Ralph and Ramsey captured the gray day. Roanne captured some color with her art fence in Minneapolis, while Keith caught the snow piling up in Chetek, Wisconsin. Late this afternoon, Christie's patio pic from Andover was already impressive. Then there's this guy Mary snapped a picture of, out for a casual stroll in his khaki shorts. Why not? David posted the cute side to this storm in Maplewood, another reason to bust out the snow pants for a lesson in measuring Minnesota style. And from my friend Paula Bossert in Skyline in southern Minnesota, take a look at the winter wonderland. Perhaps the winner in all of this? James Weaver. He's in Florida.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
James Weaver.
James winning. Thank you for helping us tell the story of this blizzard today. We, of course, always want to see what's happening where you live. You can share your photos at WCCO.com. Easy to do.